Triglav the Rock Ljubljana 2020. Triglav the Rock Ljubljana 2020 was a magnificent event that took place on August 30th in the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana. For the first time ever, the climbers competed in an exhibition match on a horizontal climbing wall 7 meters above the Ljubljanico river. All the ideas and operational implementations were the result of the agency Extrem's innovative approach, which surprises again and again. Despite all the measures to limit the spread of COVID-19, the organizers managed to create a top atmosphere with the help of spectators. 16 male and female climbers competed in the elimination fights for relegation all the way to the finals. We witnessed top performances and duels of climbers and spectacular falls into the water. Despite the enviable international participation, the victory in both categories remained at home, which further proves the quality of Slovenian climbing. We absolutely had the opportunity to host an event in Ljubljana that was exceptional and will be remembered for a long time. Many thanks also to the municipality of Ljubljana and all the sponsors who believed in and supported this unique event.